Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward to everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here, taking a look at CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin sitting at 67,174.46 cents at the time of this video, and a pullback has come, guys. And I've told you, stay away from buying on green days when it comes to fear and greed and when it comes to price action. Stay away. If you were to just stick to that rule and wait till you're in the yellow, orange, or red, like we talked about time and time again, you will not be losing your mind on this pullback. Stay away from FOMO and just stick to the rules. Father Time has always won, and we've seen this time and time again. So a slight pullback here. Taking a look at the charts, we see the pullback respecting our level of resistance here, and did not clear. We did break out of the channel. Okay. There's really no way to move that channel over. I can't get it up here for it to make sense. It did break out the channel. Let's see if we're going to pop right back into it. That's the only possibility that could happen outside of continuing upwards. So I do think that this November 5th date that we've been talking about is going to play out. It's definitely going to play out, and it's going to really dictate the rest of the year. So there's very little time to pack your bags. So taking a look here at Bitcoin, and then diving into some market updates, some cool things happening here. We have payment giant Stripe acquire stablecoin firm Bridge for $1.1 billion, according to TechCrunch founder. And Stripe's discussions to acquire Bridge, the tech publication executive says the 1.1 billion purchase is, to be honest with you, a major indicator that companies are getting ready to be able to adopt this technology. So last week indicated that Stripe had been in talks to acquire a stablecoin firm. Why would you do that? Which offers products that lets enterprises use the top stablecoins USDT, USDC to receive payments. It's coming. If I haven't said it before, it's coming. And you're watching this video right now, you have an opportunity still to capitalize on this tech. So Stripe's acquisition of Bridge comes a little over a week after the payments company announced it would offer global support for merchant settlements using the USDC stablecoin over 2 layer 1 blockchains and 1 layer 2 solution. So a ton of bullish news, pretty much showing you about the industry. If anything, that shows you that these companies are gearing up to be able to utilize this technology. So this is exciting to see. Our next piece of news here. Hedera is partnering with Prove AI, because Prove AI will build its flagship AI governance platform exclusively on Hedera. Now, the reason why I've been bullish on Hedera is because it's a sleeping giant. Not a lot of people are talking about it, and a lot of people won't talk about it until it's too late. That's exactly what I love. I don't want people to talk about it when it's sexy and when it's all over the place. That's when you're too late to the party. And, you know, I wish there was like a fear greed indicator on altcoins, because then you can actually get the trigger of do not buy when it's trending, do not buy when it's greed, wait and buy when no one's talking about it and people are fearful. Right now, people are fearful of HBAR. People are very fearful of this project because the hype's not really there, but the tech and the partnerships are there. So very excited to see that partnerships are still being made. Okay, partnerships are very much still being made in the shadows. Okay, I think HBAR is going to perform wonderfully in the bull run, and people aren't going to appreciate it until it's too late. That's typically what happens. And what I've told you before, it happened with Cardano. People didn't appreciate it until it was $3. So, and that's when it was too late. That's when people bought and then pulled back all the way down to where we're at now. So, same thing here. And people didn't, Cardano's at 3 cents. HBAR's at 5 cents. Okay. This is the floor. This is when no one appreciates it. This is when people call it a dead project. That's exactly when you want to buy. Because typically what's going to happen is a year later, oh, I've always been, talking about Cardano. Oh, I've always been talking about HBAR. That's what happens when it pops. When it really gives massive gains, that's when, oh, I've been telling you this, I had a little bit of doubts, but I held my bag. I never sold. That's what's going to happen. Okay. And you want to follow when people say it's dead. That's when you really want to pay attention. Okay. And to be honest with you, you're not really going to have to go wrong. It's almost impossible to go wrong if you're in the top 20. Almost impossible. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's almost impossible. If you look back, you can go years back and see what happened previously, different years on CoinMarketCap. You can see what was there, when it was there, and everything that's been around. It's pretty much been around for the most part for a significant point of time. So definitely reference CoinMarketCap, but definitely pay attention to what's being said and what's being done in the shadows. Okay. Hedera's in the shadows right now, and you want to capitalize on information like this. You see the partnerships, nothing major, no major headlines, but all the tech in the world and the data to back it up and to prove that the platform is second to none, ultimately making the token valuable that's going to fuel the platform. So very good news on Hedera. Next article, or next really slide, is going to show you where we're at. Okay. Got this from Dan over in crypto recruiter. I think his YouTube is Crypto Capital Venture. Yep. So got this chart here and showing you where we're at. Okay. Showing you what happens typically after elections. Boom. Boom. You see what's going to happen. This is showing hitting 350K. Now, everyone gets all crazy and I talk about 350K. But what I'm telling you is, look at your altcoins. Don't get scared away thinking about Bitcoin being 350K. Don't get scared away by that. Pay attention to the opportunity of altcoins. If Bitcoin comes to here, altcoins typically come here, if not higher. Talk about gains. Okay. And we've seen it. So I'm of the impression that regardless of the election results, Bitcoin will be extremely bullish no matter what, just based off of the election cycle. We have, in 2020, 2016, 2012, we didn't have near the amount of bullish momentum that we're seeing right now with Bitcoin. So 2024, they're saying 350, and that's only within, I want to say, this could be a bullish year for 2025. So a ton of exciting things to go over and to watch. We're going to be able to watch this and witness this. You're watching this video, you're going to be able to witness massive amounts of gains like you've never seen before, because we've never seen it before. We've never seen this amount of institutional money into an asset class that you're able to get into without having to know somebody, without having to have a certain dollar amount to even invest. You're able to get a seat at the table with whatever you have. So that's what's really exciting about this. And to be honest with you, I think sky is the limit when it comes to the opportunity in front of us with crypto. So guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.